Tell us what's going on at this place and what's your daughter's connection again? Did she buy this?
My daughter and son-in-law bought it. The golf course has been closed for years, and I don't know why they bought it, but they did. Mainly they bought it because they live way back. We'll probably see their house.
Well, how do they make money?
They're running it as a non-profit right now, and she's making it into a wedding venue and a party venue or music venue, anything anybody wants to use. They just rent it out for a nominal fee. She doesn't charge near enough, in my opinion, and it's just mostly non-profit, and anybody's welcome. It's open to anybody that wants to come and walk.
Yeah, we ought to suggest to her that she have a donation box over there.
She has a donation box somewhere. I don't know where it is.
Well, it should be where the trail starts.
Well, we'll probably see it. Maybe
Okay.
we'll see it. I don't know. Yeah, she's got.
Well, anyway, so this is still Columbiana?
Yeah, it's Columbiana.
Columbiana.
City limits, yeah.
And so we're going to go
And it's
walking here today. I don't know how far. There are about 5,000 different options. Is there a website, Harmon Park?
there is harmonpark.org, I believe.
harmonpark.org. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, so this being an old golf course, I guess you can walk yourself to death out here if you wanted.
I'd take a start here.
Blaney,
There, you can really choose. All right, we're off.
Oh. I just brought my little bitty. You can identify all the birds out here?
I'm gonna look.
Oh, there might be birds. That's a good question.
I'm glad you didn't either.
Okay, little snake wildlife along the way. Well, they still have some golfer signs up here with bushes growing on them. Yeah, we were talking about how grown up this place has gotten. I don't know how long this golf course has been closed, but
Yeah, you can see, yeah.
you can see how much it's all grown up.
Is that the hat?
I think so. That's hilarious.
Now you can tell that's a golf course there, or it used to be.
That is so funny. Yes, you can tell that's it.
Yeah, looks like a path up there too. And then it goes all the way around.
I'm following the chicken.
Oh, sorry. We were looking at a crow.
Good view with dog effects.
This would be a good place to be on. Got a really nice view up here.
There's some sliding around.
There's a bird.
There's a bird. Look at this guy.
They think we're gonna
This guy
feed
looks
them or
like a
something.
spider. Right here.
Yeah, that's a cock rooster.
That is.
Sure is.
Don't mess with my heron.
I'm surprised these two can hang out together.
Oh yeah.
I bet they fight sometimes. They may have enough room.
Oh my gosh, that is. Thank you.
Well, how often do you see this on a closed down golf course?
What hole are we on?
Chicken hole number 8. Okay, so let's go in here and walk amongst the chickens and the ducks. Well, this is kind of a different outing today. Won't listen to all that.
There's gonna be eggs.
Well, they're raising Cain. They must think some food's on the way or something.
They're everywhere in here.
Eggs?
Yes. Well, she's got a bunch of eggs, and if I had something to put them in, I'd get them.
Oh, there are.
Well, we're gonna get some eggs.
Bunch of eggs.
And I brought that tree.
Yeah.
She's got eggs too already up there.
Okay, well, I'll put these back because I'm wondering if they've been there a while.
Oh no, they haven't been here. She comes down here a couple of times a day and gathers them.
Well, I think
The one on the end, the far end, if you look through that hole there, you'll see there's several.
Yeah. She always gets them because if she doesn't, they'll lay on them, and then she don't want
She doesn't want any more babies.
well, I think eggs last a while. People say you don't even have to refrigerate them at home.
Well, I mean,
if you don't wash them.
Right, if you don't wash them. Look at
Okay,
that.
do you want to put that one in the hat?
Sure.
Okay, so Diane is getting her a dozen of these fresh eggs, and
I'll pay her for the...
there are eggs everywhere in here. That's cool. Yeah, look at this little contraption. They go in there, and then you lift the lid and get right to the egg.
Did you get one?
Yeah.